Looking for a bigger house within downtown Cagayan de Oro? Good news! We have it here at Intalio Estates Subdivision. Hi guys! I'm back. This is Rep Kareen, your house tour partner. Introducing Magnum Model House here at Sitio Agong, Barangay Kanituan, Cagayan de Oro. A spacious two-story house with a lot area of 110 square meters and a floor area of 90 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 1 bedroom here in the ground floor, and it has 3 bedrooms in the second floor. And here at the back, it still has a spacious laundry area. And at the car park, it can occupy up to 2 cars. Live at Intalio Estates and enjoy their complete amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, and gate and guardhouse. And here's the second bedroom and the second common toilet and bath. And as for the third bedroom, ideal for your kids. And lastly is for the master's bedroom with own toilet and bath. For more details, message me or contact the number below. So when's the best time to invest? It's now. Bye!